Hey guys, today I'll show you how to get the Linda Brown modded version. So as you can see guys, I am poor when I do this, and there we go. But now when I turn on the toggle, I am rich. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Linda Brown modded version onto your device. So let's get right into the video. It's super cool. So basically this is going to use a modded app, and we need to go to Hex Mods. And then as you can see, it says Linda Brown. So press on it, press download button, and wait for it to download. So if you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to go and try it out. So if I go to the search bar and type in Linda Brown, you can see it is super expensive, which is why I do not encourage you guys to spend any money in this game at all. So as you can see guys, here is the Linda Brown, and then we go to in-app purchases. You can see now, look how expensive it is. So if you do want to get everything for free guys, be sure to try this out. It is super cool, and I am so rich from this method. As you can see guys, I just have to turn this on and I go from being poor to rich. So be sure to try it out. See you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool guys. Totally works. And yeah, I mean, I understand some of you guys are skeptical of these mods, but trust me guys, if you like this game, this actually does work for you guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super cool, and it is totally updated. So yeah, all you gotta do guys is go to the Hex Mods. So yeah, this is a pretty awesome website. So yeah, if this video does work for you guys, then be sure to try it out. It's super cool. So yeah, be sure to try it out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, be sure to get the word out. It should work for you guys. So I'll see you in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, get the word out, and peace out, gang.